There we go. We're back in focus. Camera's playing games on me today. Hi everybody, welcome back. So we're gonna ignore what my hair is doing because who knows at any given point, right? So I was trying to think of a new video idea, and instead of just doing another Get Ready With Me, which are great, I love watching them, but I figured we'd do something fun and do a so a tutorial on using only your fingers to apply makeup. So let's just see how this goes. Okay, so first we're gonna prime our face. I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Fixed and Perfect Primer. This one, I don't know if they have shades, but this is in 001. It's just a primer, so, but it is like almost like a salmon-y color. Salmon-y, that's not even a word. Salmon. So I just grabbed a little bit in my hands. I'm gonna rub it together. Obviously in my hands. Oh, I don't know how this is gonna go. Can you believe though, we used to, like, I don't know about you, but I used to put my foundation on only with my hands. Ugh, it's gross when you think about it now. Okay, so that's on and done. I'm gonna prime my lids just using my MAC Painterly. Open it and show you. Just their paint pots. They are amazing. If you watched my Get Ready With Me video that I posted most recently, which I'll leave in the bottom bar if you want to watch that, I recently told you how I used to use the Urban Decay Potion Primer. That was like the very first primer I ever used for my eyelids because I have pretty oily skin and my eyeshadows used to just crease. My eyeshadows used to just crease right here. You know what I'm talking about. And so I use that. But the MAC paint pots, they're fire. They're phenomenal. Okay, moving on. Let's do foundation. So I picked up this new Flower foundation. I got the LF3. That's the color. So we're gonna try this. You guys know I love their blush. Oh, okay. Oh god. So we're just gonna pump this onto her. I hope this shade is okay. Oh god. I just put some on my fingers. This is terrible. Oh my god. You guys, how am I gonna blend this out to my neck? Oh. How do we used to do this? Oh, this is terrible. Okay, let's try and blend this on our neck. Good thing this foundation is like super creamy. I'm putting so much oil on my skin right now. Okay. Do we look okay? Oh, I don't know. Should we try and do eyebrows next? How am I even supposed to do that? I can't even brush them. Oh, okay. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna take my BH Studio Pro. Just has a bunch of different shades in it. I'm gonna take the brown. Oh god. You guys, this is so hard. Let's just move on. This is bad. This one's not so bad. This one, on the other hand, I don't know what happened to this one. And I need to tweeze my eyebrows. That doesn't help. Okay, let's be done with that. Moving on. Where's my contour stick? Oh, contouring stick. So I'm gonna use this just, or no, I guess I should put it on the finger. Oh gosh. Guys, this is hard. This is so hard. Just so you know. I need a mirror for my nose. Let's see. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Oh, look at a random spot of dark out of there. Okay. All right, let's try and blend this out.
Just bad. How's this working? You know what? The contour blending out isn't bad. I don't know about on the cheek though. Yeah, I can't judge this either. It's a lot harder than it looks. Oh gosh, okay.
So contour, not bad so far. Okay. Concealer will be the real truth. All right. Just the Tarte Shape Tape. I use shade Light Neutral. Let's just take it off the wand here. This is so bad. I'm probably gonna break out like a bunch after this. This is bad, you guys. Real bad. We're gonna keep chugging. Powder. Alright. My new fave. It's actually from the store Five Below. And it was $4. It was either 4 or 5. But it's a Studio Contour. It's Profusion. And I typically use this one. Sometimes we'll mix these two though. And then obviously I use the middle to set my under eye. Although we might use the Revolution's setting powder in Banana today. Thinking that might be a little bit easier. So I'm gonna go in this far shade and try and set my contour. Let's see how this goes. You guys, this is really hard. What if we only had our hands? Oh! Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay. We're just gonna go with it. We're gonna keep going. Keep going. Okay. We're gonna set powder. We're gonna do the Revolution's setting powder. It's just luxury banana powder. The natural heat free body will cook powder over base foundation or concealer, giving you a flawless finish. I don't know about all that, but we just wanted to hold our concealer. Okay. This isn't so bad. This isn't so bad, people. This actually might be going in my favor. Okay. Just a little bit better. I don't know about these eyebrows though. They're looking pretty bad. We know it's gonna be a bad situation. Alright. Highlighter, since if you follow me on Snapchat, you know that my daughter put her whole 2 fingers in my Wet n Wild highlighter. So it was in Precious Petal, I believe, is the shade. I still have it over there and I'm looking at it right now. So depressed. But I went and picked up the Crown of My Canopy. So same thing. I haven't even used this one yet. This one's a little bit, has a little bit more gold in it. A little more bronzy. If we can open it. Only using our fingers here. Okay. Okay. So just, again, gorgeous. They're all beautiful. Like, look at this. Oh, okay. See, like, look at that. Oh. All right, we're gonna hit our... You can't even barely see it when I put it on with my fingers. Can you? I guess you can. Okay. Okay. We're gonna double it with Smashbox and Casey Holmes Duo. This one is the one in pearl. So I'm just gonna do one of those. Hit them all. These are beautiful, especially if you layer them with another one. I always layer this with the Wet n Wild ones. And the glow is phenomenal. Blush or no blush? Script blush. MAC, the Make Me Mine. What? Make You Mine, since I haven't worn this in a while. Oh! Hey, let's blend this out. Oh, it's not blending. Not blending. Not blending. Okay, I may have just ruined our masterpiece here. It may just went south. So these blushes are pretty pigmented. And they take literally the tiniest bit. We're done with that. So I showed you guys the Five Below First Impressions and $5 and Below makeup tutorial, which also would be in the bottom bar. In that one I use the Five Below store makeup palette in the rose, is it rose nudes? Or rosy, something rose, it was the pink one. It had like rose gold pink colors in there. So I went and picked up, I actually liked their formula and they're only $5. So I went and got the starry-eyed one. And that one just looks like this. It's really pretty. And I'm loving this yellow. Oh, and this blue over here. So it comes with same kind of deal as the other one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20 shades for $5. So falling on a budget, I mean, you can't really beat it. So we're just gonna open this bad boy because I haven't opened them yet. Ooh. Oh, and there goes the little, you do get the little start it from the bottom, now we're here kind of thing, with the spongy situation with the brush on top. So we're just gonna throw that out since we can't use it today anyway. So let's just be crazy. We're gonna let's set our primer on our eyelids with this white situation over here. I'm actually just gonna use this mirror. Okay, so we set to go in our crease. I guess I'm just gonna take this transition shade. Gosh, this is hard. And these are actually pigmented. Like for $5 you would figure, they're probably gonna be garbage. They're not. They're nice. I mean, I went and bought a second one, so your girl doesn't do that unless they deliver. And they did. All right, outer corner. Let's just do the blue. Or should we do gray? Let's do this gray. We're not trying to look too crazy here. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's maybe should have done our eyes first so that we could have corrected our problems with our concealer, because that's gonna be a problem. Looking real good. Okay, done with that. Let's spray it because you gotta set it, because look how beautiful this looks. You want it to stay all day. Okay, so camera turned off. Didn't know it wasn't recording, so here we go again. The new Flower Lippy, it's in CP1 Pink Bouquet Rose. And I put it on, realized it wasn't recording, so I took it off. I'm gonna tell you that it smells like the lipsticks you used to get when you were younger, and they smelled like straight clay. That's what this smells like. Like when you walk into your art class in 5th grade and you're like, the smell of clay, like we're playing with clay today. We're gonna create some, you know, cool objects. That smell is great for a classroom, not for on your lips though. So, flower, you gotta do better. So, we're just gonna, I also hate these applicators. Like, something about them I just don't like. The smell is horrible. They're creamy though. I will tell you that. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Going south, okay. And I also, I think it's camera. I put on lashes. I just use the wand for it because I can't put on mascara with just my fingers. So I just use the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. The wand just looks like that. So we'll pretend. But that's it. That's how you get it done with just your fingers. And look at this. Looking like the Joker over here. Okay. Let me try and show you up close. Like look at this mess. Oh. That's great. Look at that. Yeah, that's bad. That's bad. I thought I did a little better than that. Hey, but you know what? Check the face, check the neck. That's all that matters, that matches. But look at this. Oh. I couldn't even get this blush to blend. It's terrible. Let me close these. That's better. Oh, it's so bad. So bad. So bad. Terrible. So terrible. Alright. Well. Can we get in focus, please? Can we? So that's it. I feel like the best part is face to neck ratio, obviously. And then the contour on the forehead, like the contour went pretty good for me. The concealer, I guess, went pretty good, but kind of up close. Actually, up close is not bad. But I'm still gonna say this lipstick is like non-go. Okay. Face to neck ratio, contour on the forehead. So I'm gonna say I'm proud of. That's it. Everything else, bad. Bad. But I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit, you know, a little fun, a little bit out there, a little bit different. I think that's all I got. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I've got nothing else. So, the grape was really good. And I hope you enjoyed this train wreck, because it was a blast for me. You know? It was real fun.